A young elephant, just 5 years old, was struck by a container truck. And what happened next touched hearts around the world. Her mother stood frozen by the roadside. Her eyes never left her child, now lying motionless beneath the truck. With desperate hope, she tried to push the truck, as if still believing her baby could be saved. She waited, and waited still, beside her lifeless child. Elephants are known for their incredible memory. They can remember the places where important events happened, including where they lost their loved ones. There's a strong possibility this mother elephant will return to this very spot, searching, waiting, and longing for her baby.